My journey to become an attorney has been a long one, kind of winding road, if you will.
I'm from a small town in Indiana, and I'm the youngest of 3 boys.
I've always kind of had that fighter mentality because being the youngest, that's the way it's been. It's important to fight for people who can't fight for themselves. If you weren't fighting for somebody who needed it, it would be hollow work in my view.
I joined a law firm that practiced elder abuse, and it opened my eyes to the area of law. I didn't even know it existed before. Segments of our community, elderly people, dependent adults, children, they don't have a voice unless somebody else gives it to them. Holm Law Group's main goal is to provide the highest level of legal representation to those people who are unable to help themselves. Holm Law Group specializes in elder abuse cases, so we know how to do this.
If a loved one is injured at a nursing home, the first step they should take is to contact an attorney. When a client contacts Holm Law Group, they're usually going through one of the worst times of their life.
A lot of my clients feel a sense of guilt because maybe they picked the facility that their loved one was injured in. So I want to make sure that people that hurt them are held accountable.
My mom was a great dancer and a singer. In her mid-70s, she started developing a form of dementia, and she had to have 24-hour care. We ended up identifying an assisted living facility and moved her in there. But immediately we started having problems at the facility where she had multiple falls, fractures, various injuries. We were not getting answers from the facility. We felt that every time we reached out to them, they were not being forthright with what had occurred. So I started looking at various law firms. I called multiple firms. I really did not feel comfortable with anyone until I called the Holm Law Firm. Natalie and the entire Holm team are unbelievable. A very caring team, very responsive to any of our needs. I felt that throughout the entire process, they kept me abreast of what was happening.
We empathize with clients by getting to know them. Go there, be with them, understand what they're going through. If there's one thing I would want someone to know about Holm Law Group, it's that we're fighters. We pick and choose cases carefully. We're not a mill, and we want to truly get the best for each individual client.
Holm Law Group's mission is to change the way the nursing home industry operates by holding facilities accountable for their systemic failures to protect the most vulnerable members of our community.